Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm gonna show you how you can catch the snappy tooth fish in Fish It. So the snappy tooth fish is one of the rare tire fish inside the lava basin, and in here I'm gonna show you the spots to get the sharp teeth, and also the bait combo that you need to have this one. So first, I'm using Element Rod with Singularity bait, but you can just use your best rod to get this one. And as for the location, I get it a lot while I fish in these locations in here, facing the waterfall, or you can also just go pick your favorite spot inside the lava basin to catch the rare snappy tooth fish. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.